Hello guys and welcome back. I hope all of you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how you can pick up the differences in multiple rows. So for example here I have certain data and they are not matching with each other, so I have to mark them that these are not matching. It's going to be very lengthy process. So how we can do it easily? Simply select the data, press Ctrl G and then press special. When you go there, click on the row differences and press OK. Now system has automatically selected the differences. You just need to click on the color printing. Now you see the numbers that are matching are not highlighted and all of the ones which are not matching are highlighted. Isn't it easy? You can also do it by selecting the data and pressing F5 key. The same functionality, and you can go and do the same. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to share, like this video. I look forward to speak to you again soon. Bye bye.